Hi, Bharat.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. What about you, sir?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Yes, Bharat. Where are you from?
I'm from Kamareddy and Nizamabad, sir.
Okay. And what is your education qualification?
I did my BCom graduation from Government City College, Hyderabad, sir.
Okay. And how do you know about Svc Training Institute?
I got to know about this institute through Instagram, sir.
Okay. And what did you learn from SBC during this 2.5 months training?
After joining institute, I gained knowledge about investment banking and global accounting, like financial markets and derivative markets and corporate actions and mutual funds.
Okay.
And additionally, I improved communication through group discussions and Zoom sessions. Real-time HR sessions helped me a lot.
Good to know that. And share your interview experience.
So there are 3 rounds of interview, sir.
Mm-hmm.
First only is HR person interview, sir. They are majorly focused on communication skills.
Okay.
And second round assessment test, sir. They are majorly focused on general English and aptitude and financial markets, investment banking, sir.
Okay.
Third one is manager round, sir. They majorly focus on subjects, sir. They asked more than 20 questions, sir. And able to answer maximum questions, sir.
Okay. Good to know that. And what is the salary package?
So my salary package 3.6 LPA, sir.
Okay. And when you are going to join?
Sir, next Monday, sir.
Next coming Monday. Okay. Congratulations and all the very best, Bharat.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for supporting guidance.
Okay. All the best.